Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a dress from RAVE. It's an only dress, but I've been wanting them for such a long time and I finally decided to get them because they were on discount. I have got the dress on the website Fantasmagoria as I always do, and no, this video is not sponsored. I have just bought the dress because I have been wanting them for such a long time. So the shipping, as usual, within the Europe, it takes like a week. I had tracking for my order and yeah, just usual stuff. So let's just get to the unboxing. I have also got like multiple pamphlet, flyers and cards. Kind of nice. Actually, this is really cool. I don't know what this is, but it's really cool. Artwork by Natalie Shaw. And here are the dress. They are called, I believe, Black Limbo Dress, and they are like off shoulder and really nice. I absolutely love this dress. So this is the mess of the dress. There are some silica gels, some tissue paper. They actually kind of smell. I mean, like, it's nothing terrible, but ew. Alright, so here is a tag, and I also got like a reserve button because these are button-up dress. So first of all, I will really have to iron the dress, but for now I'm just gonna put them on and we will see how they will look. So I'll be right back. So the dress are on, they fit good, but I will definitely have to iron them because they are just... You will see when I will cut to the like me wearing the dress clip. They are made from like slightly elastic cotton material. It's really nice fabric. It will be good for summer. And yeah, the dress has pocket, and as you can see, it's like off shoulder. As for the fit, I have the smallest size and it fits really good, but yeah, I feel like the stretch band, which is around my shoulders, goes up sometimes, so that's a little bit annoying, but I think I will used to it, I don't know. But yeah, overall the dress are really nice and I actually can't wait to wear them, but I guess I'm going to wash them and iron them first. I don't usually iron my clothes, but this is just way too extreme for me. So yeah, the comfort is like 9 out of 10 because of this stretch band, on which I'm pretty sure I will use to it, and it's not like too annoying, but sometimes it go up and it's kind of weird. But it doesn't even look that weird on the camera. So they are slightly loose on the waist, which is nice. And yeah, as I mentioned before, they have 2 pockets, which is super cool. I love pockets on my dress, and they go like to my ankles. So yeah, now I will cut the clip of me wearing them, and then I will just sum everything up, I guess. So yeah, as you could see, the dress are like super witchy and like the cut is amazing, and I recently really like off-shoulder things because I feel it makes my shoulders look like smaller, or I don't know, I just think it really fits my figure, and it also shows off my tattoos without having like too low cut in the front or tank top, so it's really nice. And I can actually also wear this in winter. I just put a sweater over it, and now it's like super cold outside. It's like 9 degrees Celsius and it rains and wind blows and it's so cold. So yeah, but maybe I will wear the dress anyway because I really want to. I really like them and I couldn't wait to get them. I was expecting them like 3 days before this one, but like shit happens, whatever, so I got them only today, but it was worth the wait. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for new videos every Friday, and check out the dress in the description if you like them. I will try and link them down below. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye!